So we're gonna have a fire tonight, and I decided that I was gonna try to make a little, I guess, rocket stove from our wood pile using this. Now it's a small one, so it's gonna be a mini rocket stove kind of thing. It's only a 1-inch drill here. So I got all this free wood from a neighborhood. I believe it's ash. It's kind of knotty. My goal was first to actually use this log here, but this little bit isn't gonna cut it. So I'm gonna try to go on a smaller one here. It's a little smaller log still. It's not gonna get much through, so I'm gonna get to like part way down, but do what I can. So I'm gonna try to do maybe a couple holes here, this down, and maybe the other side, but maybe I'll just keep it more on this side here, down, and then once I go like a certain depth deep, do a couple holes from the side. That should be enough to get a fire going. So let's go drill it. Today's gonna record. All right. Huh? Yeah, so I got a little helper here with me. See how long she lasts. I got a drink to get me through it. We'll see how this works. Huh? How am I putting it down? Yes. I'm gonna take this and drill it into that. And I'm gonna drink beer while I do it. You gonna watch?
I'll be quiet or no?
You don't have to be quiet. Howdy. Good. All right, so I got a big battery here. Got my safety flip-flops on. Let's go pop a drink and we can begin, right? Yeah. Oh. It shook up a little. That's not good. Wonder why it's shooking up. All right. Oh, be careful. All right. So we'll see how this works. Okay, can you sit up here?
Right.
And just in case. That is. Well, this is taking longer than I thought, so I'm going to turn off the camera and make sure you stay your distance. Yeah, we can blow it. You can help me blow the dust afterwards. And I'll tune in when I get a couple holes drilled. What's that?
That's my feet. That's my feet. What? That.
So a few things that happened here. I drilled a second hole. This one's a little deeper than this one, and then this one I kind of did an angle, but my drill was not suited for this. So the 1-inch, like I only got like this far down. So this is a mini one. This is more of a actually see if this works. That's this small, but that one barely connects. And my drill is like overheating with this, so I had to use eventually a 1/2-inch one just to kind of finish the last connection hole. But this should be fine, hopefully. So this hole here connects here with the right hole, just barely. But as soon as the fire goes in, hopefully it starts opening it up. And the whole goal is to get an oxygen in here for here. And then eventually it makes a fire and it can go for there. So we'll start small with some twigs and work right up and see if we can get this thing going. All right. So I got it now in my fire pit. And let's just see. I'm pretty interested to see how this is gonna turn out. See if it actually works. If not, maybe I'll add some lighter fluid to it or something and soak it for a little bit if it's not catching. So, all right, let's go add some sticks and we'll get it going. So this is the aftermath of the log. I finally got it going. Took a while. but obviously it needs to be deeper and bigger holes, but it does work. But I'm gonna flip this on the side soon so it can actually have a much larger fire here. I don't know if this log burning all night, but it seems like it would just burn nice and slow for a long time, which is kind of cool. So, all right.